Hello guys, my name is Rahul Singh and you guys are welcome in my YouTube channel called Ecom Crown. Today I'm going to share with you how I made more than 44k dollar without investing single penny on any paid ads. I did not invest any money on the Facebook, on the Google. I just used SEO. Organically, I made more than 44k. In this video, I am also going to share what was that trick of the SEO through which I generated this kind of sale. So first of all, let's see what was the result of this store in the last year. Let's see. Let's come on the analytics section. Guys, you can see that last year my result was more than 44k and my conversion rate was around 7%. That means it is above 7%. Let's visit what was the result in the 1 month, 2 months, and 3 months, and how much time it took. Let's come on the here. Guys, you can see that between the May 2020 to November 30, I made more than 44k dollar. And let me tell you guys, this on this store, I have not paid any money to any platform, and all this sale has been generated organically without investing single penny, and let's see what was the result from May to June. Let's see this. Okay, you can see I'm taking, let's see. Okay guys, between May 5 to June 30, I made around more than 12k, and the total number of order I received, it was 668. And let's see what was the result between the 2 months. Let's make it 7, and you can see here on the screen I made around 25k. And let's come on August. Let's come on August. Okay guys, you can see I made more than 30k. And let's come in 9. Okay guys, it is 4k. And let's see what was in 10. Guys, I hope you are enjoying this result. Okay, you can see guys that even from May to October 30, yeah, yes, I remember correctly, I stopped this doing SEO. I stopped this store only because of the corona period, because my shipment was not going on up to the time, and you can see guys, you can see guys, 7.25, my conversion rate is 7.25. Organically, you can see guys, I have made you can see, okay guys, you can see on the screen that from between May 5 to October 30, I have made more than 44k dollar, and with a conversion rate of 7.25, and total order which I received, it was 2318 order guys. And let me tell you guys, I have not invested single penny. Again I am telling you guys, and again and I know guys, you all are waiting for that thing which you want to hear from me, how I generated all these sales. The guys, I'm going to tell you, I generated these sales only because of backlinks. I just did SEO, and I just asked a lot of website blogger to provide my link in their content, and also I did not pay any money. And if you guys do not know what is the backlinks and how I do backlinks, how I generate sale through the backlink, then guys, you are going to receive get next video on the backlinks. And let me tell you guys, if you are not doing the backlink, that means you are losing a lot of sales guys. You can generate a lot of money with the backlinks, but it requires a lot of hard work guys. Let me tell you, it requires lot of hard work. Then in this store, you can see that my profit, I made around more than 20k on 20k. I mean, let me tell you guys, if you want to see the result of this store from October 10 to till now, and you will be amazed to see it guys, because it has crossed 6 figure without investing any single penny. On the next video, I am going to share the result from November 2020 to till now. I hope you will like that video also. But in the end, I'm just trying to say to you guys, I have made all this money with the SEO and with the right strategy of SEO, and mainly 80% of the my work in the SEO was backlinks. Doing the back. If you guys like this video, then please subscribe this channel, because in the next video you are going to learn a lot of things on the backlinks, and I'm going to make, and I'm working on that part also, that how you can do backlinks, what is the backlinks, on the next video will be on that, so that you do not miss any video on the SEO and on the e-commerce business. So you need to first of all subscribe the channel, so that you do not miss any chance to learn extra thing, learn super thing in this e-commerce business.